This 2023 Forest River Sunseeker 3010DS is a Class C RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. This new Forest River is 32 feet 3 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Vermont Oak, platinum interior, sleeps 8, TV, spare tire kit, oven, air conditioning, LP detector, external shower, slideout, stove top burner, auxiliary battery, TV antenna, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front entertainment, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2023 Forest River Sunseeker 3010DS is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ancira RV, visit RVUSA.com.